Hello guys, review Realme C61, this version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory, gold color, okay, open box and look completion. We have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, double camera on the back side, 6.7-inch display, power button, warm buttons. On this side slot for SIM cards. Downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone and headphones jack. Okay, open settings, we have Android 13, Realme UI. Close. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information, display IPS 90 Hz HD plus resolution, Mali G57 this GPU, and CPU Unisoc Tiger 612. Okay, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU results. GPU results doesn't work. Now have results and Antutu benchmark. Okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.